Our week in sunny Marrakesh is coming to a close. This was our first time visiting Morocco and it definitely won't be the last. Everyone is friendly, there are cute cats everywhere, and the food is great.
They're good?
Those are really good, yeah. And all of this is vegan. Isn't this crazy? Good vibes all around. So for the first half of our trip, we spent it in a hostel, but now we are in an Airbnb. So I just thought I'd give you a little tour just to show you what that's like. So this apartment's in a residential area. It's not super touristy here, just outside of one of the palaces. And our host tells us it's just like a normal family home. So she lives below us, and then there's like this level and then one above us. I think the one above us is just a patio, but it's pretty cool here. So this is the main living area. It doesn't have a kitchen in here, but I just assume they have one downstairs, obviously, but this is just for renting out. The patterns are pretty cool in here. Yeah, so this decoration is all done by hand. That's pretty cool. So we're really happy with this apartment. We don't need a kitchen because it's only for a couple days, and we chose this one because of the location. It's only like a 15-minute walk to the main square area, so you're close enough to the old town, but far enough outside of it to where you're like not right in all of that chaos, so it's nice and calm here, and we slept well last night. So if you're interested in trying Airbnb for the first time, check the video description for my referral link, because if you sign up through me, we'll both get a discount. It's like $35 you save, $30, I'm not really sure. But yeah, check that out. I've used Airbnb, I don't even know how many times. It's just a better experience to me than staying in a hotel. So yeah, check it out. I think these are my favorite tiles. And a little bathroom. Alright, so now we're gonna go print our boarding passes and run some errands. We're leaving in a few days. Because if you're flying from Marrakesh, the airport doesn't accept mobile boarding passes, so you have to print them out. So we're just gonna go to this internet cafe and print them. Found it, it's upstairs. Cyber. Yep. Fairly easy to print out those boarding passes. One small complication is that the keyboard is totally different because I use like the Arabic keyboard, so you really have to pay attention to like how you're typing. But I just went to the Ryanair website, and then you can get your boarding passes with just your confirmation number and email, so you don't have to actually log into your personal email in like an internet cafe, which I never like doing that. And now we are going to a Henna cafe.
Yeah.
All right. Decorative henna is often associated with weddings and celebrations. This tradition, dating back to 1200 BC, is still popular across several cultures and religions in North Africa, the Middle East, India, and Southeast Asia. Henna refers to a dye made from the leaves of the henna plant. The leaves are ground into a powder and mixed with water to form a paste. Grinding the leaves releases special molecules, so once the paste is applied, the molecules bind to the melanin found in your skin, hair, and nails. The paste is left to dry, then it is removed, leaving a stain. Even though the end result looks like a beautiful tattoo, these intricate designs are temporary. They can last a few weeks depending on your skincare routine. So she applied some like lemon sugar, I think she said, solution to this before we left, and then I'm supposed to peel it off tomorrow morning with some oil. I wish tattoos were that way. Getting them applied, so easy.
That's also a lot bigger than it looked.
Oh yeah. Yeah, in the book.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine. I just got the one hand done too. So this is what it looks like the next morning, and I've been slowly picking off the henna to reveal the orange design underneath. Yeah, I didn't realize that henna had to stay on for so long.
Yeah, me neither. I thought this just like, they do it, they take it off and that's it.
Yeah. Because this has been on for almost like 24 hours.
Mm-hmm.
It gets all crusty, then you just scrape it off.
Nice.
I like it. So yeah, we're heading back tomorrow, and this trip has been really nice. We were here for a week, and I think that's plenty of time to see all different parts of the city, so it was a good overview. That way we weren't limited just to like the chaotic Old Town part. We saw the calm parts as well. So I think it was a good trip, and plenty of sunshine too. Like today it's gonna be 25, and then we're gonna go back to Krakow and it'll be -2 or something.
Yeah, or like around 0.
Yeah, Celsius, obviously. We're heading to the airport early tomorrow morning, so now I'm just gonna mail off some postcards. These are postcards for our patrons and my sisters. Let's see how long it takes for them to get there.
Yeah, we could go there.
Oh, yeah.
Cool.
That's a nice flag.
Oh yeah.
Dramatic pause. Okay. You're cute. So for our last meal in Marrakesh, we're at our favorite cafe. We've been here every single day just for coffee and tea, but now we're actually gonna try to eat here. Looks like avocado, tomato, radish, and veggies. Avocado's really good, actually.
Is it? Okay, maybe I'll try a little bit.
It has oil, though. Avocado.
Focus. Yeah.
You want some?
Maybe just to take a bite, yeah. That is pretty nice, avocado.
definitely want to see more of Morocco in the future, preferably with our van, because it'll be more of a chilled travel plan, I think. Then we can see more like rural parts outside of the city. But yeah, it was good. I'm glad we came here.
Yeah, I liked it too.
Thanks for watching. In next week's episode, we're back in snowy Krakow. We're now in real winter. See you next week. I definitely got some sun today.
Yeah, I can feel it on my face too.
Yeah.